Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. And sometimes there's some bonus videos in between as well. Today I have a makeup haul. It's not actually like a massive one. It's a lot of P.Louise and then some Mitchell stuff basically. I did also order the brand new Charlotte Tilbury foundation, but I could not tell you where I've put it. Couldn't tell you at all. So let's just pretend, oh there it is in there. So I bought the Charlotte Tilbury foundation and I also bought some brand new Rimmel stuff to try for TikTok, but it's like in a box underneath boxes, so let's just pretend I've just showed you that. So of course I had to get this. This is the P.Louise Watch the Queen Conquer palette. This is like the chessboard one. I must admit it would have been really cool if it came with like little chessboard pieces or like as an option, even if it was like an optional like £5 add-on. If somebody plays chess, I feel like they would want to get that because obviously that's one of the cool things about the palette, and it would be like something that would be hard. I mean, would it be hard to find pieces that would fit it? But even so, it would be nice to have even just like plain pink and black ones, not even like fancy P.Louise ones, just for people that like to play chess. I have no idea how to play chess, so yeah, no use for me, but I just thought that would have been a cute idea. So yeah, this basically opens up in the middle and then it goes like this on this side. So we have two different sides to this palette. This has been out for a while and it is limited edition, so if you want me to do a video still trying this and do one side on one eye, one side on the other, please let me know, because if you don't, I'll just leave it and I'll maybe just include it in like a shop my stash or a get ready with me or something, not specific like a video just on this palette, if that makes sense. Or I am going to be uploading more on TikTok, so if you want me to do a TikTok on it, I can do that as well. So this is what one side of the palette looks like. So this is more like a pinky purpley kind of side, and then obviously it has the mirror and then the exact same on the other side, but this is more of like your reds, your greens, your orangey and some yellows and stuff as well. So like that is the other side. Very bougie. I actually quite like that, even though it's a double-sided palette, it's not proper chunky. I would prefer this than like a really big one like the cancelled one or the other one that's behind me. As well, I prefer this so much. I think as well that palette was, I think I paid like 36 for it or something instead of 60 or 50 something. It was meant to be like a really expensive palette. I also got this one called the Love Affair, which is one of their love tape palettes. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them behind me? Oh no, you can't see them behind me because they are on the top shelf with like the bougie smaller palettes. But these are the Love Tape palette. This one is the Love Affair. And this is just what she looks like. Oh, absolutely stunning. Sexual. And then I also got this one, which I regret getting because it's in the budget box that I bought as well. So if anyone wants to buy this off me, please let me know. This is the Going Solo one, only like UK people by the way, just so that it's not going to cost a fortune for shipping. But this is just what it looks like. It is a grey toned palette, and I wasn't going to buy this one as well, which I wish that I didn't, because obviously now I've got two of them. But I wasn't going to buy this one because I thought I'm not really going to get my use out of it. But then everyone else was buying it and saying, oh my god, it's so nice, it's so nice. And I was like, well, now I want it because everyone else is getting it, so I bought it. And it's in the budget box, which I'll show you in a second. Anyway, another one from P.Louise. This is the Stack 'em Up palette, which just looks like this. Again, this is from the new collection. All of this is from the new collection that came out on Black Friday. Am I okay? No, I'm not. My phone's going crazy. There's too much going on in my personal life. I cannot cope. But anyway, let's just look at the pretty eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like. And I mean, if you don't know me, I love purple. I love it. Love it. And I love purple eyeshadow as well. Like, oh, I just think it's so sexy. And like the deepness of it. And this one, oh the little star, and it looks like a Mario star. Oh, I love Mario. That is that one. So we've got 2 shimmers, and then the rest are matte, and she is sexual. Wanna have sex, baby? Okay, next one. I keep forgetting Blake's mum and dad are in, don't want to be hearing me saying that. So the next one is the last one from this new collection that came out, and this one looks like this. She is really nice. So this is Flight Mode. This is from like the Worldy collection, but it's like a mini Worldy. So this is what it looks like. I'm sorry, but her packaging is unbelievable. Like, this spins. I'm sorry, this is like, it's got like the little thing on it as well. And again, I think there was 3 of these, and I just picked up the one, and this is what she looks like. Again, with the purple, I couldn't help myself. I couldn't help myself. So yeah, this is beautiful. It's all matte in this palette as well, which I really like. And then of course we have the P.Louise budget box, which is again like the Black Friday one. So we already know the palette that's inside here because I've just showed you it. So including the palettes, obviously this retails for 30 quid, and it has all of these goodies in it, but you never know what's in it. It's like a mystery. And they are starting like, I think, a subscription one this month, so you can just have it on subscription. You don't have to like fight every single month to try and get it. I don't think I'm going to get it. I think I'm going to leave it, to be honest with you, just because I'm saving for a house. I just think it's 30 quid extra that I could put in my house savings, to be honest. So I'll show you what's in this one anyway. So this is the Stay Shining Super Hydrating Formula. I think, is this the lip oil? Yes, this is the lip oil, and mine is in Radiant Soul. The packaging, again, I feel like she just absolutely nails her packaging. Ooh, it's got like the applicator, like the Revolution ones that I really like. No way is that a lip oil. I don't think you're going to be able to see it on camera. Oh my god, no, the camera's not going to pick it up. It's got like you could wear, I could wear that as a lip gloss. I don't know if you can see. It's like, oh my god. It's like reflective, so it's got like glitter in it. It's got like pinky, orangey, yellowy, goldeny. Oh, that is beautiful. It doesn't smell of anything, so don't smell it. We also have a tiny little brush. This is the P.Louise 143 brush, which I've actually seen on their Instagram, no, on their TikTok a lot recently. So I'm really excited to try that because I have tiny little eyeballs, so that would be good. I also have the Cut Carver, which is like, it's basically like a glorified Vaseline, basically, to cut the crease. But I'm excited to try it to see whether it actually is a glorified Vaseline. That's just me jumping to conclusions. We also have a little baby. This is the Also Beautiful Mini Eyebrow Pencil, and this one is in the shade, normally we get to pick a shade, but we didn't this time. So this one's just in Mochaccino. Then obviously we have the palette. We also have a blue base and then a Acid Rain base as well, which is like just from their normal collection. And then last from the P.Louise, a lot anyway, we have the Christmas budget box, which just looks like this. This one is the biggest budget box that we've had so far in regards to like the size, because it has a cup in it. Let me show you. So I really want the Sagittarius cup, but this just makes me happy that I've got this one. So this one is the Naughty But Spice cup. So it comes with, let me just put the little straw in. So it comes with the little lid and the little straw. I'm sorry, but that is adorable. It's not like thick plastic. You can tell that it's not like it's not like worth a lot of money, but I don't care because I think it's really good regardless, and I probably would have paid the money for it. But again, obviously this box was 30 quid. We also have a palette from her Winter Wonderland collection that she did as well, like the Christmas collection, which to be fair wasn't out that much longer after the Black Friday one, which was quite a shock because Black Friday collection was huge and I feel like it didn't really get like a time to like really shine. I really wanted the other palette that came in this box as well, but this one is still really nice. But the other one was like a mistletoe one. I think it's like mistletoe kisses, and it had like reds and greens in it. It looked really nice. But this is the Winter Wonderland one, and this one is all blues. It just looks like this. Absolutely stunning. And we also have a couple of brushes in here. So we have like a little angled brush. This one is the P.Louise 225, and then we also have like a different small fluffy brush, and this is the 234. And then we also have some other goodies inside too. So we have the lip drip, which is a new product as well. This one's the honey bunny one. So just a thick formula, again, packaging, unbelievable. I wouldn't say that's a thick formula, but if anything, I prefer it because it's actually quite thin. That is a very Lucy beautiful shade as well. So I don't actually know, is it meant to be like a lip stick or wet finish candy coated colour? Okay, so I think it's meant to be like a lip gloss. That is beautiful if that's meant to be a lip gloss. And then we have a Smoochy lip pencils. This is one of their sharpenable pencils, and this one is in the shade On the Edge. Oh my god, which will go beautiful with that gloss. Very, very happy with that colour choice. And then last but not least, we have the Protect Your Pout Gingerbread Kisses lip conditioner, which I'm pretty sure, is this the one that everyone's been going on about, but like in different scents, where it's been selling out? It is. It's the little keyring one. Whoa, that's big actually. So it has like a little keyring part for it as well, and obviously that's a nice little lip balm. And then last but not least, which I'm going to show you very quickly because I think Blake's mum and dad are coming to bed. So this is what I got from the Mitchell I keep going to say Boxing Day. It wasn't Boxing Day, it was Black Friday sale. So I picked up this case, which was reduced to £10 instead of 20, and I'll show you what's inside because I put my goodies inside it. So the first pouch opens up like this, and it has like a little bit here for you to put brushes in. It has like a little zip here to put a palette in behind it, and then has like a little bit of space here, and I'll show you what I picked up. So I got 2 of the Mitchell sponges because these were reduced to like £2, I think they were. So I'll have 2 of you to try because I've not tried any of them yet. I also picked up a brush, which to be fair is like all matted up from the actual little thing that they've put on to protect it, so that's not very good. Let me just take that out. So I got like one of the brushes that they use for carving out around your brows and putting on your eye base. So this is the Mitchell C5, I think that's what it's called. Just looks like that. And then I picked up, they had like a little trio of the blushes. So I got the Milk Mix, the Dairy Queen and Cowlick, which is like the white, the purple and the kind of vibrant pink one. Really excited to try the purple because it looks absolutely gorgeous on Alex. Yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like on me. And then the other one that I picked up was just one that I really, really wanted. This is the Melon Sorbet. And then this is just what it looks like. I don't know whether I'm missing many other ones from the collection, to be honest with you. I don't know if I've got all the blushes now. I was just trying to buy the ones because that was in like a mint deal for the trio, so I just got that. But I feel like I only bought this to try and be good and not get everything that I was missing. I did want to try as well the bronzer, but that was just sold out and I couldn't really work out what shade I was going to be as well. So yeah, I just left that. But I did pick up this bad boy for £20. So this is the Milk palette, which to be fair, when it first launched, I was like, it's nice, but it's not something that like I would pay the 40 quid for, so I waited for it to go in the sale. So this is just what she looks like. And then inside it just looks like this. I will say this palette, I do not understand why there isn't a white and a black in it. Am I just being daft of that? Because like there's no white or black in here. Like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Made by Mitchell. Let me just close this up and I'll show you what the second little pouch looks like. So the second pouch just looks like this, and then you can get the, like I just moved these because I had some of my Vive stuff in there from a different video that I was filming earlier. You can just move these and then slot them in. Oh, I can't really do it. There we go. With one hand, and slot them in wherever you want them to be. So these dividers all move. They can be took out and moved about to however you want them to be. But I thought for the sake of like £10, I love the colour. I went for this one instead of the black. I just thought it stands out really, really well. And I thought it'd be, I didn't think it was going to be this big. I thought it was going to be smaller. And I thought, oh, that'd be perfect for when I go to Edinburgh with Blake. But it was way too big for me to take to Edinburgh. I think if I was going on like a Patreon trip or like a girls' night out or something, then I would definitely take this for my makeup and bits and bobs. But yeah, for a trip with Blake to Edinburgh, it was just way too way too big. So yeah, I'm excited to finally take her on the road. I do feel like it would have been good if they had a strap here that you could then slide on top of your suitcase. I feel like that was something that they're kind of missing, but that's just me. I was trying to think of another way that I could use something, and a way that I can make it easier for me to use it too. But yeah, that is everything. I'm now going to call it a night. It's 10 o'clock at night. I filmed 3 videos. I'm very proud of myself. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Thank you so much to my patrons for being so lovely and so supportive, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.